don't want you.
I want you to deal with your problems by becoming rich.
This is my home. They're gonna need a wrecking ball to take me out of here.
Good day, everybody, whether it's morning, evening, or anywhere in between. Welcome to unRekt Traders. Today we're taking a look at Bitcoin. We're going to look at the new weekly open. For the most part, targets have already been reached, but on the weekly machine here, we do have resistance above us sitting at that 70,000 range, even 69.2. We look down at the quasi, the 50 is just below the plus 100, so it's not the strongest resistance, but it will act as resistance. And then we can look at the 100, 200 being well above. So even when we do come down to this support range here, it's going to be pretty strong support at 58,100. We can see that it already acted as pretty strong support once here. Now at this time, these were already at the top. So we kind of entered in just a smidgen, and then we've kind of pushed up to the resistive level of the 50, and that's kind of where we are right now. So can we go bullish from here? We can. We'll see if the resistance holds, take out some of this liquidity, and then head to that downward direction to the 37,000 or the possible target of where it really wants to go at 49.6 right now. Now we do have that strong support, and then we also have the 3.2 support here. So not expecting too much this week. More or less probably stay within the 70,000 to the 59, let's say. And then from there, there is the possibility that if we do go full bullish from here, then we can hit that 77,000 at 3.2 here. We come down into the Nexus. So on the Nexus, come down to we'll go 15 so we can see it better. And as of right now, the new weekly, so I did actually make a video yesterday. Basically, I think we were up here at the time, and I basically said that odds are, because we hit the previous day high already and showing some weakness, we'd probably come down to that weekly pivot, possibly to here, and then move up and try and take out this previous day high, try to get those highs, high liquidity, and then come down. So daily pivot more or less is sitting at 67,500 right now. We already took out the previous day high, previous week high. It's a good sign that we can come down to that pivot, if not even come down to that weekly range, which is sitting here, starts at 67,000, let's say, and the actual weekly pivot is at 65.8, and then move up and try and take out this previous day high, try to get those highs, high liquidity, and then come down likely back into this monthly range. Naked daily here that just somewhat tagged at this point, and then we had that nice little drop down right to that pivot actually for that daily to tag it on the next period. So now we have tagged this one here. The true weekly is just below the previous day low for today at 65.7. But as far as I'm concerned, the range has been hit and we can continue higher. Now if we do get above this previous day high, then there is the potential to move up to the monthly R1 here at 70,200 or to the weekly R1 at 70,800. So that would take out quite a bit of liquidity, would be a nice little move up. We are somewhat bullish for the time being right now, even though we are still in consolidation for the most part. If I kind of zoom out, see that. So this whole little area has just been a consolidation area for the most part, and it is kind of a bearish wedge in all actuality. So we'll see if we can pop above eventually, but as of right now, we are still kind of stuck in there. And again, you know, we do have quite a bit of imbalances down here on the daily. But let's worry about just the current weekly until the new monthly comes. And as of right now, we tag the weekly. We are still bullish, looking to take out some of the higher liquidity before moving down into that 50. All right, so that's what I got for Bitcoin. Hope you guys liked it. See you guys in the next one. Thanks a lot.